Okay, so does Amazon sell inventory to liquidators, and like how does that process go, or like why would it ever get sold to a liquidator, or like
Sure.
what's up with that?
Yeah, so it's part of so it's a whole this whole area is lumped under the idea of disposition instructions. How do we dispose of a product, right? So you can either grade it and put it up on the shelf, and there's different levels of grading: sell as new, sell as used, sell as all those. That's where warehouse deals came from, right? It was this idea of it's still good, it's been graded. So warehouse deals is one. Then the next level down is liquidations, where they actually will pack it up and pack it up into a pallet, shrink wrap it, and just fill up a truck, right? And so there are actually relationships with these vendors, these liquidation vendors, like Genco, GENCO is one of them, where these guys will just buy a truck full of this liquidation stuff sight unseen. So
Wow.
as returns are getting processed, they just get dumped into these pallets. They get queued up into a truck that's always on standby, and when it's ready, they let Genco know. Genco picks it up and takes all this product away.
So let's say something is marked as damaged, okay, by the Amazon warehouse. That so I see it where it happens to my product. So is it possible that my product gets marked as damaged or something and then sold to one of these liquidation companies?
That's
Or
it's possible. I'm not sure the rules around that. So I think you actually get to determine that. If you get your stuff returned, and you can set like send it back to me or destroy. And I
mhm.
think there's also, I think they may have been doing this. I don't know if they did it, where you can liquidate it and you can get a little
It's
bit
called
of
dispose. Oh, okay, yeah, the liquidate option. Yep.
yeah, you have the option, and then you'll get a little bit of what they made on that product.
Oh, okay, that's how that works.
Yeah, and then the third option is destroy. You can have it destroyed. That's how things are disposed of, dispositioned.
Oh, okay, but if I select destroy, it's actually going to be like thrown
Yeah,
away or
they'll
destroyed
chuck
in
it.
the. Okay.
Yep.